Parents of kids ages 5 to 11 are split on whether to vaccinate their children. A new poll says it surveyed more than 1,100 people about their vaccination plans. 44% of parents said they were likely to vaccinate their children, and 42% said they would not. The poll comes as Pfizer submits its data to the FDA showing its vaccine safe for grade schoolers. The FDA currently has not approved any vaccine for the younger age group. But what about wearing masks? New studies released by the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention highlight the effectiveness of mask wearing tied to low COVID-19 numbers in schools. Paula Suro tells us what Georgia's latest school age report shows.
I'm fortunate that at least what I'm risking myself for is really worthwhile.
Nick Hodge teaches high school English in a district where masks are encouraged but not required. He says after several outbreaks at the beginning of the school year, mask wearing has become more common. Even he and his wife, who were both vaccinated, had the virus.
The number of cases that we've had has dropped dramatically. I will say more of the students are wearing masks.
His observation similar to what the CDC released in studies. One report found that counties that had no mask requirements in schools had a higher rate of pediatric COVID-19 cases after the beginning of the school year compared to schools that did have requirements. The study highlights that schools that required masks had 16 cases per 100,000 children in the first week of classes compared to schools without, which had 34 cases per 100,000 children.
I'm not surprised by that. I believe in science. I'm familiar with some of those studies.
In Georgia, the Department of Public Health school surveillance report shows that statewide cases from the last 2 weeks among K through 12 students have decreased. Cobb and DeKalb counties are seeing numbers go down, while Fulton and Gwinnett counties have as well, but by less than 5%.
I don't think we're done with it. I hope we are. I certainly hope we are, but I doubt that we are.
For more on how our local school districts rank, our Reveal investigator Rebecca Lindstrom just analyzed how the virus's spread varies between Georgia's districts that do and don't mandate masks starting from the first month of school. That story is up right now on 11alive.com. Georgia's overall number of new COVID cases